can choose to do what they want to do. But then coming to the question of why Kenda Gore decided to run, to quit journalism, which I don't really think I quit. I do not think that serving as a member of parliament is too different from being a journalist. First of all, the kind of things that happen there is, there is a lot of research on the issues. You've got to do research just the way we do research on matters. You're supposed to now, the thing that politics gives me is the ability to act on such kind of matters. For example, we are complaining that our colleagues who went to parliament did nothing really to champion the rights of the media people and the industry. You see, that complaint is valid because they are there and they are at the position to legislate, the position to speak for. And working in, being in parliament is a decision-making platform that you're given. And so I do not think that going there would be too different. What we only need to do as journalists who are there is to now act upon those things. Number two, I got tired. I got so tired of being a conveyor belt.
A pipeline.
Why would I always come and tell you what so-and-so said about so-and-so?
But not about you.
As a journalist, reason being, when you highlight a problem that is there and a solution, you create an environment where a solution can actually be found.
Politically speaking, today, you just played the clip here of what the opposition are saying about this law. What you've done is simply play, and then you're not given the right by your media house to start interrogating those kind of things. And so I felt that I was just supposed to bring what William Ruto has said and tell Raila, William Ruto said this, what do you have to say so that I have that thing? The stories are written in a very, very funny way. In a and in a quick rejoinder, so-and-so said this. And, those kind of things.
Okay.
And so I got tired. But the one that really, really hurt me is talking about my community all the time. Problems. I got tired of being branded as a bandit when I'm not, just because my community practices some kind of, a few individuals does some kind of things. I got tired of talking about hunger without